We are an enterprise focusing on the research and development and manufacturing of transformers, committed to providing efficient and reliable power equipment.
Today, we will take you to visit the production process of transformers.
Let's learn how they were born.
The birth of a high-quality transformer is inseparable from precise design. Our team of engineers will design the best electrical parameters and optimize energy efficiency according to customer needs. The iron core of a transformer determines its magnetic properties. We use high-quality silicon steel sheets and process them through precise shearing, lamination, and annealing to achieve lower losses and higher efficiency. The winding is the core component of the transformer. We use advanced automatic winding machines to ensure the tightness and uniformity of the winding and perform multiple insulation treatments to ensure safety and reliability. Next, we install the coils onto the core and perform precision adjustments. This step ensures that the transformer remains stable during operation, reduces unnecessary noise and vibration, and improves operating efficiency. In order to enhance the insulation performance of the transformer, we use vacuum pressure impregnation (VPI) technology to allow the insulating paint to fully penetrate and improve the voltage resistance and moisture resistance. At Shinenergy, we conduct strict factory tests on each transformer, including DC resistance test, ratio test, voltage withstand test, to ensure that our products meet international standards. Meanwhile, our products have passed a number of international certifications. These certifications ensure that our transformers not only meet industry standards, but also the stringent requirements of our customers around the world, providing greater safety and reliability for your power system. Finally, all transformers are rigorously packaged to ensure that they are not damaged during transportation and are quickly delivered to customers worldwide. From design to factory, every Shinenergy transformer is strictly manufactured and tested to ensure high efficiency, safety, and reliability. If you have any requirements, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for your visit, and we will see you next time.